Zimbabwe's first Minister of Education, Dzingai Mutumbuka, has finally won back his 600,000 Chisipite residents in Harare, whose title deeds were stolen from the deeds office, forged, and the house sold to a new owner for a song. High Court Judge Justice Nyaradzo Priscilla Munangati-Manongwa brought the nearly 3-year-old wrangle to an end on Wednesday when she ordered Demetria Zirenga and her husband Harrison Marange, the purported buyers of the house, to vacate the place within 15 days of getting the judgment, failure of which the sheriff would evict them. Justice Munangati-Manongwa declared in her ruling that the legitimate owner of number 90 Harare Drive, Kauni Valley, Chisipite, also known as Consolidated 4480/88 in respect of stand number 184 Rove Valley Township, is Mutumbuka, who possesses the valid title to the home. She declared Jona Ngome's purported title deed to the house fake, fraudulent, invalid, and of no force and effect. She ordered Zirenga and Marange to pay Mutumbuka, who is a senior World Bank executive in the USA, costs in the case. Justice Munangati-Manongwa accused Zirenga and Marange's lawyers, Opundanaka Tirivavi and advocate Method Love, respectively, of having unnecessarily pursued a case that obviously had no merits, hence the dismissal of their application with cost. Mutumbuka was represented by advocate Edli Mubaiwa. The registrar of deeds was represented by his legal officer Eika Dengure. Justice Munangati-Manongwa also ordered the deeds office to expunge from its records any record or deed showing that Ngombe is an owner of number 90 Harare Drive, Kauni Valley, Chisipite. Mutumbuka's title deed was pulled from the deeds office by Lina Mlambo, a supervisor who gave it to her boyfriend Tatenda Shaft Wakatama. The boyfriend kept the deed for a week, forged his names, and returned the deed to the deeds office through another person. Using the forged deed, Ngome sold the house to Zirenga and Marange for 92,000 and allowed them to take occupants after just paying 45,000. Mutumbuka and those who stood for him were evicted from his house using an order granted on September 18, 2023 by Justice Webster Nicholas Chinamora, who has since resigned from the bench ahead of an investigation of misconduct against him. Justice Munangati-Manongwa said that Zirenga and Marange, who had applied for education, had no full rights to do so since they only had an agreement of sale to the house and not the title. The title deed through which they claimed ownership was still in the name of Ngome. She tore through Ngome's title deed and said it was fake and replicate with fraud. It had no official stamp, no dates, no mortgage records. Ngome's title deed was also dismissed as a fraud by the registrar of deeds. Justice Munangati-Manongwa wondered why Ngome has never appeared in court to defend his rights to the house. Ngome, who claims to be the owner of the house through a title deed, has never been anywhere close to the courts to defend his property. Ngome is silent in both applications. He has not opposed. Ngome has never claimed to be the owner of the house. He must answer to it, and he has not. Ngome is silent. He accepts the fraud to his deed by remaining silent, declared Justice Munangati-Manongwa.